You had talked about earlier that when you were younger and, in the business, you sort of felt, I'll put these words in your mouth, but a little bit fish out of water, in part because women in manufacturing, maybe a woman in a man's world, I think is what you had said.
Yep.
When you came back 25 years later, where were you on that scale?
I feel well respected. It amazes me in different places that I go into. I tell folks all the time that I spend a lot of my time in water and wastewater plants, and I love the people there. I just have a good relationship. I don't feel I don't feel really anywhere that there's that barrier, that women's barrier. I'm also involved with Women in Manufacturing, the organization. I think it's great. I think it's so helpful to do the mentoring and to help younger folks that are eager and interested to know that there's many different ways they can be involved in manufacturing and be incredibly successful at